Finding free software for game development is hard, but in this video, I'll be showing you every free software you can add to your collection for game development. Hi, I'm AndrewDavidJ, and in this video, I'll be showing you some free software you can use for game dev. Finding art software is super hard, and I have dealt with it too. But for game dev, there are mainly two types of art: pixel art and vector art. For pixel art, there are some nice free software you can choose from. The first one would be MS Paint. MS Paint is an amazing art program, and a lot of people seem to think it's not the job. But I used MS Paint before I got Sprite. I can also recommend Krita, a free open source software you can use for many things, including pixel art. You can also try GIMP as well, but I don't have any experience with it. We also have a few websites you can use for pixel art, such as pixelart.com and Piskel. These are all really great. Sprite is the best option for pixel art, but it is $20 USD. But there are ways of getting it for free by checking out their GitHub page. Vector art software are hard to find, but I do recommend Inkscape, a free software. It is very good, and it does have a steep learning curve, so I think it's worth it for free software. Some other programs do cost money, but they are the best choices. They are Adobe Illustrator and Affinity Designer. Adobe Illustrator is a monthly subscription, but Affinity Designer is just one payment, but they are not free. Music software, aka DAWs, are really hard to find for free. The best choice would be FL Studio, but it has a fee. So there is a free alternative called LMMS, which is what I use. Here's some music I've made using LMMS. There are other software which I recommend. One is Bosca, wait, how do you pronounce? Okay, Bosca Oil, whatever that thing is. I mainly use it for game jams because it's intuitive and easy to use. You just click and the sound will play. There are so many musical instruments you can use with, and I highly recommend it for game dev. Now it's time to discuss coding in game dev. There are a lot of options for you to try out, and a lot of them which are free. The first one I would recommend is Visual Studio Code. It's a cross-platform text editor with a lot of features. It's super good with IntelliSense, and it can totally work with a lot of programming languages. Atom is also an amazing text editor. It's lightweight and is top-notch for game dev. There's also Visual Studio, which is a fully fledged IDE which you can code with as well. Organization is very important for game development, so I recommend Trello or Codex. These are very useful, and it gives you a clear plan on what you're doing. And that's it for these free softwares. If you have any other suggestions which I did not include in this video, please do comment down below so I can also try them. Subscribe to the channel, and I would like to thank my Patreon Ningnang Nongi for his awesome support on Patreon. Thank you. Bye.